Welcome to the world of Vox Nutrition, where innovation meets excellence. Witness our encapsulation machines in action. Vox Nutrition proudly presents Bosch encapsulation machines, producing 175,000 capsules per hour. They handle a wide range of powders, sticky or fine-grained substances. Quality is paramount. We test raw materials rigorously for micros and heavy metals in pre-production. In production, multiple checks ensure quality integrity. Post-production, our final quality checks guarantee only the best. Personalized service is our promise. Our dedicated account managers provide transparent and continuous communication. Vox Nutrition, your premier partner for capsule supplement manufacturing. Ready to elevate your brand? Contact us today for manufacturing solutions.